Question number 13. Two thermometers show the temperature inside and outside a greenhouse on a day in January. How many degrees warmer was it inside the greenhouse than outside? Well, we need to figure out what the temperatures are. So inside, we've got 10 degrees there and we've got 12 degrees there. But the grey thermometer, the mercury inside the thermometer is between 10 and 12, which is going to be 11 degrees. Outside, it's more straightforward because the grey bit of the mercury is level with exactly 2. So that is 2 degrees. So how many warmer is 11 than 2? Well, in other words, what's the gap between 11 and 2? Well, 11 take away 2 is 9. So that's the answer to our first question, 9 degrees. Now we've got a second part of the question. Later, the temperatures were -1 inside and -8 outside. Now what's the difference between these two temperatures? Well, if you imagine a number line with a 0, -1 is just below 0 and -8 is even further down below 0. Now on the other side of the number line, you would have +1 and +8. Well, the gap between +1 and +8 is a gap of 7, and it's symmetrical. The positive side of the number line is symmetrical to the negative side of the number line. So if the gap between 1 and 8 is 7, the gap between -1 and -8 is also 7. So the answer to that question is 7 degrees.